Hi there, my name is Samuel Afosa Alston. I'm a digital economist. I run a startup called Echo Africa, and I'm also the executive director of Innovate Africa, which is under Silicon Valley Product Group.
Hi, I'm Eniola Ajulo. I'm a data analyst, and I finished from the University of Lagos, studied public administration. I started my data career 2 years ago, where it is I felt like we need more data in Nigeria, and yeah, it's been going well.
My name is Ibe Kwefevo. I studied Pure and Applied Mathematics in Rivers State University. The fellowship helped me to develop my skill in data science. Prior to this time, I had little knowledge about data science. Inside data science, I also learned machine learning. I learned some algorithms, supervised learning, and some unsupervised learning. I discovered that data science is not all about structured data. In data science, we have different types of data. We have the audio data, we have video data, and we also have text data.
The program has been very extensive. My skill normally in data science was only data analysis, but with data science I've had more in-depth knowledge on data science, how to use various methods to make data more efficient.
I was able to manage the workload because I work remotely, and the fellowship program were not affecting my work. They are not affecting the timing because they were scheduled at later hour, and weekends are more flexible because I really don't have anything doing at the time.
With the timing of Blossom Academy, having classes on Tuesday and Thursday, 6 p.m. It fit perfectly with the fact that I work during the day, and at the evening time I can take the classes. At the same time, having classes on Saturday has been exciting because normally I used to have my Saturdays, but giving it to Blossom has been great because that has just fit in perfectly. So timing of Blossom's classes worked very well with the way of life. I'm looking forward to having my Saturdays back.
I'm presently a data analyst, and I've been able to apply my the data science skill to my present role. So I've just been able to adapt or adopt different new skills like machine learning and SQL that I recently learned into my data analysis skills, which has even made more seamless and effective.
As a startup founder, my startup is really focused on data, and learning about data science has given me the idea right now to add into my startup how to convert many of the data that we do for organizations into data that could be put into AI, so like LLMs and JSONs. Very excited on how to use that now to help organizations across Africa to convert their data into more AI-driven data.
I want to say a big thank you to Blossom Academy and Digital Africa for giving me this opportunity. And I promise I will utilize it very well, because the reason why I came to Lagos State is because of data science, and I was opportune to see myself in this environment. I really want to say thank you very much.
Data science is the future. We need a lot of data. I'll encourage people out there to make sure that whatever it is you're doing at this point, you're taking data into consideration. I want to say to Blossom and Digital Africa, thank you for giving us the opportunity to learn this. Personally, I have learned so much. I'm very much inspired to be able to do data for future because of Blossom Academy and Digital Africa. I want to say thank you guys, and I want to say if you've not heard about Blossom, I think you want to go search Blossom Academy and register for the next cohort. You want to be there.